Alright guys, welcome back to another video on the Traders Hunt series. My name is Success Ogbonna, your host on this Traders Journey. So guys, today we'll be looking at some very important market flow, right? And also keeping able to understand the trading opportunities in the markets, and also an overview about the month of August, what to expect in the markets in the month of October, right? So this just October 7th, and there have been a lot of amazing flows and a lot of amazing things to expect for the market. And this is also the beginning of quarter four, right? The fourth quarter of the year. I know that every quarter the market has a unique flow, right? That we need to pay attention to if we want to really back in some money from the market. So, guys, if you're just watching my video for the very first time, please ensure to subscribe to this channel, turn on notification, give this video a thumbs up, because I'm sure by the end of this video there'll be so much value for you to take home, right? And also a big shout out to the Forex mastery students and also the crypto mastery students, even those who have taken my courses on synthetics indices, right? A big shout out to you guys, and I'm always glad when I see my students, when I've seen the results you guys are putting out there, seeing the efforts, the work, the profit you guys are working out in the market, right? And also to those who are yet to sign up for any of my programs, please ensure you help yourself. Use the link in the description section to sign up, to send me a WhatsApp message or an email requesting access to any of my courses and mentorship programs. And also you can also get my books, right? About so far I've written 6 books, right? So we have the Four Cardinals of Money, we have the Trader Psychology Bible, we have the technical playbook for Forex traders from Q1 to Q4. We also have the price and time, we have price and news analysis to have on venue. These are different books, 6 books in total I've written so far, and definitely I'll be writing one more or two more next year. So please, if you're not getting on my courses, or if you're getting my courses, if you're not getting my books, you are really missing out on a lot of informations when it comes to making money in this market. So, guys, the business of the day, what to expect from the fourth quarter. So, what should we expect from the fourth quarter? How should we expect the flow of the forex market? Right? I know the third quarter has been very rough, and I've not traded the markets like in the from. I think the last time I traded the market, I took a real trade that I held was mid July. From mid July to September, or through mid July to September, I really did not trade. Right? So not until last week where I opened few positions on AUD USD, and I'm still holding that position on AUD USD. I'm holding. I think I put 3 positions, closed 2. I'm still holding 1. So I'll be showing you guys what I saw in that trade and how I'll be able to make some money from trading AUD USD, and also what you should be expecting going forward in the month of October, and also some opportunities you can also rake in this new week, right? And also, please, before I dive into the market proper, I have an offer. My birthday was just last week, and I have a free offer I'm giving out. I'm doing for all of you who be using I think the link is down there from the description section to create an account with Capital Extend. Create an account, join my free community where you get to where I get to share some very important, some very my trade signals. I'll be giving out my trade signals for free from now to mid-November. So if you want to take advantage of these free opportunities to make some money for Christmas, I titled it Christmas giveaway offer. If you want to be a part of that offer to make some money from the market for yourself, maybe for family to sort out Christmas bills, create an account with a minimum of $50 and get signed up for into that community, because the goal is to 10x your account, right? The goal is to 10x your account. So guys, that's about that. Again, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Touch that subscribe button, give this video a like, leave me a comment, because I am sure by the end of this video, you know how to do it. There'll be some value, some money opportunities I'll be opening your eyes to in this market, right? So let's go back. Just what I like to do is the XY. What is the XY doing? Right? What is it? Because the thing is, market is always telling us a story. It's always giving us pointers, but a lot of times traders just don't pay attention to these pointers, and this is why a lot of traders get burnt in the market. Market is always giving you pointers. Right? Market telling you, "Hey, I am buying. Just buy." A market is telling you, "Hey, I am selling. You too, just sell." Stop trying to fight it. Stop trying to predict the market. That's the word. Stop trying to predict the market. Your job is simple: flow with the market. Don't predict it, right? So those who often get to really lose big money in the market are those who are trying to predict the market. If you really want to make money, just whatever the market is doing, market should lead and you follow. Let the market lead and your job is to follow. All right. So this is the XY from the monthly time frame. You can see this level, this support level, which I put in for you guys to see. But since 2022, December 2022, price has been inside this range. Price has been playing this range. But every time we touch this support, there must be a bounce. Every time we touch this support, a bounce. We touch it, a bounce. We came there again in December 2023, bounce. Now we got there again in since September, around September we were here. And I was shouting that this guy is going to bounce from here. Some people were, some all of you, other persons who have been busy throwing shade, telling me just talking your own, blah blah blah. Go and sit down. What are you seeing currently for October? Yes, it's okay to say October is still very much early and the market is showing some bullish momentum on the XY. The dollar is showing some strength because it's just early in the month. I know, but I bet you, right? I'm betting you for free, right? That this guy is gonna bounce off from here. We're gonna continue like this. So this is a clear bullish, what about this? Yeah, bullish Golvin. Right, this is a clear bullish Golvin, right? This candle is a Golvin. They say clear that chart pattern from the monthly time frame. And the Forex master students understand that having this kind of pattern on a monthly time frame is having this kind of chart pattern on a monthly time frame is very important. I can't emphasize that enough. It's very important to know to be clear on the direction of the market. It's very important, right? So it's safe to say that this guy is going to bouncing off away from me. So we're going to be going back. We're going to be going back up for the longest of time. We're going to be pushing. The S is going to be bullish, at least with this resistance. At least with this resistance. So if you've been short on the XY, it's time to close your short position on the XY because this means that since the XY is going to be bullish, it means that the general markets, EU, GU, AUD, USD, will be strongly bearish. We're going to be falling strongly going forward, right? We're going to be falling strongly going forward, right? So let's look at it from the weekly time frame to see for yourself, right? So from the weekly time frame, you can see the strong bullish momentum, right? I think that's a chart pattern for this. This is actually a chart pattern. That's kind of something railway, something like that. So it's actually kind of a pattern, something like a railway, something. I can't remember the name, but this is another confirmation. The monthly time frame is telling you, hey, the XY is ready to fly. Weekly is also giving you that confirmation that it's ready to fly. We can say a strong engulfing. Daily, what is daily saying? Daily is showing you the strong bullish build up. So what the eyes you need to know that we're already in a bullish motion. I have to draw this trend line to see. This was like a double top. So it is like a double bottom, and we already bottom from here. And you can see price already ran with the upside. So the worst case might be a little pullback, right? So we've broken out of this trend line, broken out of this one. So what is remaining? We are just going higher, just higher, 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 higher. So if you know how to sing higher, higher, so this is just higher, higher for the XY. So since the XY is doing higher, higher, what should you expect from the other pairs? Lower, 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 lower. It's simple. It's simple because the XY is always acting in contract or in opposite to the overall general market flow. Right? The XY always flow in opposite to the general market flow. So when the XY is telling you I'm going up, it means that you should expect that general market to be what? Going down. Going down. It's as simple as that, right? It's not rocket science, just as simple as what I've explained to you now. Right? The network is dragging me a little low. So let's see JPY baskets. I've not really been doing JPY pairs, right, in a while. Personally, I've not been doing JPY pairs in a while. So my network is crashed. It's just doing anyhow. Right, this is JPY basket. You can see JPY basket. About some of those traders who was telling you that once we touch here, it's going to drop down. We're going to retest it and all the things I've been telling you guys in this on my screen, little I think I'm just shouting. This guy is just talking. Everything is playing out already. You can see. I think I was one of the earliest traders to capture JPY basket, JPY yen for you, and the yen currency for you guys, the yen index, right? To capture it for you like this. right? So definitely there's been respecting this channel. Price has been respecting this channel consistently, and not so this is going to still continue dropping. So that's what will happen, but it might not be a very an easy flow, as you can see. Might not be an easy, might not be the best of structures or best of flow, but then it's definitely going to this level is actually it's actually something to pay attention. But I think it's going to still drop. I think this is going to still it's still going to drop because yen needs to drop for the XY to the sky. Right? That's why I need to get this book, The Trader Psychology Bible. Then in that book, I tweeted a subject on market correlation, right? A very important topic on market correlation. How the XY, the relationship between the XY and cheap Y basket and how this affects the general PS you tweet in the market. I tweeted that extensively in that book on the Trader Psychology Bible. So I said, if you don't get my books, I don't know what to say to you. If you're not reading my books, I don't know what to say to you. I really don't know what to say to you. I don't really know what to say to you. All right. So if not reading that book, it's just for a mere 10,000 naira for you in Nigeria. For you, if not in Nigeria, just $10 you have that book, right? Send me a message, just send a message on the send me a WhatsApp message requesting access to the book and you get it ASAP. Get it ASAP. So this is let's look at EU. Now let's look at EU properly. Let's look at EU. Let's take a proper look at EU. So you can see, although the market has been, the flow has been so crazy, super crazy flow, right? Let me remove all this so that we can have a more decent view of the chart. Let's have a more decent view of the chart. So this is EU overall bearish. You can see EU. This is EU. Sorry, my screen is just I don't know what you want to say. I don't even know which one is misbehaving. Whether my screen, be my mouse, or be my this network. So you can see EU generally, right? Market generally is bearish, so bearish. Right, this market is strongly bearish. EU has been bearish since the longest of times, right? Since right, safe to say since 29, a bit 2029 or 2010, that's been bearish overall. Yeah, bearish overall. So you can see EU from here, from the weekly time frame. You can see EU is a crazy range. Right, it's a crazy range. So I've had to draw this point, maybe try to see something what is going on. But it might not be. It's not. This trend is not exactly. What's the word now? You control this. It's not exactly what the trend line is not exactly correct, right? It's not exactly correct. This trend line. Why it's not exactly correct? Because okay, because it doesn't because it's right. It doesn't really show that it should. The first point of cut is not as clear as it should. Sorry guys, my network. It's not as clear as it should. Sorry guys, my network is seriously lagging me, right? Seriously lagging me. Okay. Leave it like this, right? So this is EU. So this is from the real time. Let's look at EU from the daily time frame. Let me show you something. So you can see from the daily time frame we have a clear double top, and that has been breached. That is clearly flowing. That market is clearly expecting clear double top and we're really dropping already from the daily time frame. The neckline has been breached. If we are trying to capture this as a neckline, that has been breached. So this is a neckline. Right? It has been breached and clearly broken. Right? It has been breached and clearly broken. So definitely this is going to continue bleeding down. EU is going to continue bleeding down. Look at it from the 4-hour time frame. I see for yourself that EU is going to continue bleeding down. Right. So entries. This one thing about this Q4 is that I think generally for from this Q4 the market is going to be clearly bearish in the month of October. We're going to be seeing a bearish market. That's just what it is. It's going to be a bearish market the month of October. So it's more going to be more of selling. Right. So this is just some some funny flow. So I think market is going to continue going down from here. So if you can't capture this, you'll be swimming in some good money, right? You can capture this too, and maybe from tomorrow. For those of you in the trading community from tomorrow, we'll be looking at to short EU tomorrow morning. Those of you already in the community, we'll be looking at to short EU tomorrow morning. So I'll be sharing. I will drop the setup for you guys to short. So if you're not part of the community yet, please ensure you hurry join us. It's a free signal community for the month of October. It's a free signal community. Month of October to mid-November. Free signals, free signals, free signals. Well, it's a Christmas giveaway for you guys, right? Who have been following me. Just my little way of saying thank you for being amazing, being an amazing follower, and for being there with me through thick and thin. Even when some of my videos are not so audible, not so clear, you're still there, you're still watching, right? You're still showing up for me, you're still supporting this bro, right? So you guys are the real MVPs, right? So let's see GBUSD. GBS is the same thing, guys. This guy is also bleeding crazily, crazily. I think this green lines, in green levels are marked, right? So price got there, and you can see the strong move to the downside. It's like an evening star on the weekly time frame. You know what that means. You know what that means. You know what that means. Means that this guy is set to drop. Right? This guy is actually looking set to drop. So from the daily time frame, see the same thing. Sellers are still showing some strong momentum. Power time frame, right? Sellers are still trying to show momentum. Sellers are still in charge, right? From the 4 hour time frame. Let me just capture this for you, little. Right, let me capture this. Let me capture this. So those of you waiting for a reversal, maybe this guy will start buying from me. Reversal, I always tell you guys this: stop trading against the trend. This is where you guys always lose money. You always want to go so smart. You want to catch the market early so that you catch a lot of pips. Your quest to catching big pips is what is killing you in the market, right? The market is showing you some momentum that's okay. I'm selling. Oh. You can see that it's got a whoa. You can see it from here, from the 4 hour time frame. The moment I tell you guys, I'm selling, I'm going down, I'm selling. But you on your own, you just go to 5 minutes time frame and start seeing buy. I don't know where I see buy from. You start buying from 5 minutes time or 15 minutes time frame. Overall, market is bigger time frames are telling you we are selling. We are going to 5 minutes time frame. Just like somebody in the university is telling you, okay, this is the x plus 2. It's equals to 5, and that the answer is equals to 3. Instead of you to listen to the person in the university telling you the answer is 3, you are going to listen to somebody who is in maybe primary 2. That is 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame. And listen to them. They are listening to their own opinion regarding the solution to that answer. I mean, you got to the solution to the question, to the problem, and that's what's going on with a lot of you guys in the market. You want to go to lower time frames to make decisions? No. So, guys, it is AUD and I've been on this trade since here, right? This was what I actually used. This trend once it was broken, it was broken from this candle like this for me. I just entered, and this was where my entry was, around this area from this candle that broke. And I'm still holding, guys. I think I'm still holding. I'm waiting for a pullback to start more positions on AUD. So my goal is to hold AUD at least with this green bar. With this green bar, that's the goal for me on AUD. To hold to this green bar, this one here. But this one is not important. I'm coming to this. So this is what I'm on at the moment. AUD, we are selling, we are selling, we are selling, we are selling, we are selling. AUD. It's even just one of the craziest pairs. Many times I've said I was not going to trade this pair, but sometimes the pair just has a way of giving you the nicest of setups, right? So currently on this trade on AUD, so my target profit is actually this area. But I want you to come down a little bit and maybe give me some come down by tomorrow, give me some pullbacks, and I'll strike some more positions, right? I'll strike some more, but then it's also for safety margin. For the sake of safety, I would also want to plot out this trend line, because at the end of the day, trading, you need to also be careful. Don't get so loose, so too comfortable. This is quarter 4. right? Market can just change it for you at any time, right? So you want to be careful. So this is a trend that we must look out for. So you might get here and start pulling back or something like that. So I need to leave this level here, leave this trend line here. This guy can be funny. This guy can be funny. So let me just leave this trend line and let's see what goes on from here. I just give us a pullback before. I might get a pullback at the touch of this trend line. I might just get a pullback from there, and from there we start trading profits. Or we know if it breaks it, fine. If it breaks this trend line, definitely nothing stopping it from getting down here. Nothing. If it breaks this trend line, nothing is stopping it from getting down there. So that will be the margin I'll be looking at. That this trend line area is what I'll be looking at as a safety margin, to map out my safety margins. That's why New Zealand USD is one pair I've not traded in the longest of time. I've not traded this pair, but it's one of the most consistent pairs I know. New Zealand USD can be very consistent, very very consistent pair. You can see how it clearly respected this level, this level I plotted. You can see how it respected it clearly. It got there, and from there it started bouncing back down. So guys, my network is very crazy. Network here is something else. Network here is something else. Network here is something else. You can see how that New Zealand USD can be very consistent in respecting levels, right? So you can see from the weekly time frame, and this is New Zealand USD, just like similar to AUD USD, but you can see how we got here every time. But every time we touch this level, you can see there's a reaction. We touch this level, a reaction. We touch this green level here, a reaction. We touched here, a reaction. Right? Price dropped down. Then the next time we went here again, we touched here again. You can see the strong reaction. The way price just strongly bleeds down, right? Strongly bleeds down. So this is New Zealand USD. This is New Zealand USD. This is New Zealand USD. And this is New Zealand USD, and you can see that price is seriously dropping down, strong bearish engulfing, and definitely price is not drop down at least with this level. So your job is simple. Look out for opportunities, look out for pullbacks, watch out for pullbacks from the lower time frames, from like 4 hours or 1 hour, to take advantage of the flow. I go to the lower time frames to take advantage of the flow. That's just what I will say to you, right? Go to the lower time frames to take advantage of the flow on New Zealand USD. For the next pair, I want to see, let me see USD Canadian dollar. USD Canadian dollar. Let me see that pair. Okay. From here, we got down before. Why this was actually, I was actually expecting it to be bearish, but we go down in this area, gave like a double bottom, and it's reversing. We're currently reversing. This is a double bottom. Right, but we should reversing up to it's already reversing. So you see reversing reversing to the upside. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So the network is really, I don't know if it's network now on my phone, on my screen. So it's really working. So let's see from here. This is USD Canadian dollar, right? So this is a reversal. This from the daily time frame, and definitely breaking above this area will mean that price is going back to test the resistance, right? Going higher means price is going back to test the resistance. That's what it just means, right? It's going back to test this resistance. Right? We had hoped that price would bleed down this point before the reversal, but I guess the market had another thing in view, had another thing in mind, and it's here, and here it is. Yeah, it is, right? That's another thing in mind. So let's use USD JPY. USD JPY. USD JPY. This is another pair that's a very confusing, very confusing pair. But I think JPY pairs are set to fly today. JPY pairs, JPY pairs are set to fly to the upside. Right? Set to fly to the upside. Flying to the upside. As it stands, are set to fly to the upside. So if you want to catch them, you want to be a part, you want to join the party on JPY pairs. Your job is simple. It's not hard. It's just for you to make sure you take advantage of every pullback. When you see a pullback, like what we are currently witnessing, as you see a pullback, take advantage of it to join the trend. Right? Once you see a pullback, bearish pullback, take advantage of the tech to join the trend. If not, you're gonna be missing. You'll be missing out on the bigger picture in the market, right? If not, you're just missing out on the bigger picture in the market. So let's look at gold. Right, so one asset I've not really looked at in a long while, not really traded in a long while. Look at gold. Gold is just on a range, steady range. Right, so after this move to the upside, so gold might from what we are seeing, right, this like a form of exhaustion from the long buy. So don't be surprised if you see a very strong dump on gold. Don't be surprised if that happens. Right, because gold have been it's on its all-time high already. Gold is on an all-time high. So it might just dump down from here. Price might just dump down from here. So you need to be careful while watching while looking at gold, right? You need to be very careful while looking at gold. Very, very careful. So those of you buying and selling gold since last week, I don't know what you guys are buying and selling since last week, but like I don't know what you guys are buying and selling. So if you want to know why you've been losing money, blowing money on gold, this is the reason. Because gold has not given any clear direction. It has been just on a gold has just been sideways. Right? Gold has just been sideways. Gold has just been sideways. So your job is simple to your job on gold is simple. Your job is simple on gold. Your job is simple on gold. Just watch, right? Just to watch and just watch until you see a clear until gold commits to a direction. But if you don't see commit to any direction, then take your hands off it. If it doesn't commit to any direction, but I feel we might just dump. We might just dump on gold. Gold might just dump on a lot of traders. Right, so you have to watch it or start closing your longs or close a lot of positions on longs on gold. If not, you might be left behind. You might be left behind when gold starts doing what it wants to do. So look at BTC. I've been getting a lot of as usual, people don't stop talking about BTC. Right, so let me just for the first time in a long while. Let's look at BTC. Let's see what is actually BTC. Right. That's what's going on in BTC. So it's the same old story, guys. Just the same range, the same old range story. That's what is going on in BTC. Nothing new. That's nothing new. Just the same range. I remember one of the people are shouting BTC is dumping 43, 42, 30, you know. I'd like I always say you until it clears out of this area I've mapped out for it. If it does not clear, they don't just waste your time looking for why I said no. Let it clear out of this area first. Right? Let it clear out of this area first before we know the clear direction of it, before we know where BTC wants to go to. Right. So it's a lot of patience. I know a lot of you guys who are holders have been patient long enough, but hold more, right? Hold more. Let's see. Let's see what becomes of the market. Let's see what becomes of the market. But until there's a clear break out of this area, there's nothing else you can say about BTC. Once it clears out of this area, that's what you just watch. Just wait to watch and pray. All right. So guys, I think this is my time already. And if you do not subscribe to this channel, please ensure to subscribe and subscribe, turn on notification. Leave me a comment on which of the pairs you want to trade this week, and which one you want us to look at. Whatsoever pair you want me to analyze for you, drop in the comment section for me. And also ensure to join the Christmas signal giveaway. Christmas signal is free from now till mid-November. So I'm gonna be sharing. Please so share this video with all your mates. Share the link to the send me a WhatsApp message actually to access the community, right? It's a WhatsApp community. I'm doing that. So please ensure you join for free and start making free money for yourself. So guys, I'll be seeing you guys next week. Hopefully by then the market will have made some money. If you are still thinking to join us today. Thank you. So if you still thinking to join us today. Follow us and make money. Right? Follow us and make money. If not, I'm missing a lot. You're leaving a lot of money on the table. Right?